Hello students, welcome to the next lecture series named as Real Analysis. Myself Dr. Harish Garg, we will try to learn in one of the simplest way the concepts of the real analysis. You can follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. A very warm welcome to all of you on my new lecture series named as Real Analysis. I am Dr. Harish Garg. In this course, we are going to explore one of the most beautiful and the fundamental subject of the mathematics. Before I directly jump to the various topics which fall under the real analysis subject, let us firstly understand what this course is all about and why this course is one of the most important subjects in almost each of the subjects such as mathematics, engineering, computer science, and the machine learning. I hope you have to support my efforts by liking and subscribe my YouTube channel. As we start the real analysis lecture series, so first of all, the real analysis is a branch of the mathematics that provides the rigorous foundation of the calculus. As you all knows about the calculus, or you may have studied the concept of the limit. You already have studied the concept of the continuity. Fine, in your lower classes, you already learned the concept of the differentiation. You already learned the concept of the integration. But the big question arises here is, have you ever wondered why does the limit exist? Why is every differentiable function is a continuous function? What does it means when you can say any function fx is continuous? What does it exactly means? And why does the integration, whenever you find the integration is always give you the area under the curve? And have you ever wondered why the integrations actually give us the area under the curve? Why not the differentiation give you the area under the curve? So we can precisely answers of all these questions in this real analysis lecture series. Fine. So our major target is to learn why the mathematics results are actually the true instead of just try to calculate the things. As you discuss, as we know in the calculus, we can calculate the limit. We can check about the continuity of the function. We can check about the differentiability of the function. It means जो calculus है, that means the calculus will provide only how you compute the result. However, the real analysis will explain you why those computations which we are using in the calculus are mathematically valid. And that's why the real analysis is one of the most important subject. So in this course, we will able to develop some logical reasoning behind the concept. We will try to learn what is a rigorous proof writings and how you can prove the results and the deeper understanding of the concepts. If you are the students of the CSR net, GATE, IIT jams, MSc examinations, or any of the higher examinations, then this course is specially designed by me for all of you. Remember students, in each topic we will discuss in the complete lecture series by using a very simple language, provided more than 15 plus examples of the each topics. I will explain you with the help of the graphical illustrations, proof techniques, so that you can learn each topic in a very simple manner. All of the major subjects as we have discussed, calculus, differential equations, optimization, probability, data science, all are the backbones behind the real analysis. As I mentioned you, once you can understand the concept of the real analysis, you can easily understand why and how the calculus work, how the differential equations able to solve the real life problems. And I'm very sure once you can watch this video till the end, your reaction will change from the oof to wow. You can also tell me in the comment box whether your reaction will change from the oof to wow or not. In this course, what is the content behind is that we can start from the very basic concept called as the sets and the functions, and then we can extended them to the neighborhoods and the limit point, and gradually we can move toward the sequences, its convergence, infinite series, limit, continuity, differentiability, mean value theorems, Riemann integrations. We will then explore more advanced ideas such as the uniform convergence of the functions, metric space, compactness, and the connectedness of the various sets. The goal of this lecture series is not only to memorize the definitions and the results provided about these various topics, but our goal is to understand what is the mathematics behind them. If I quickly recall you the each topics which we have covered in this lecture series, the first one is the set and the functions, which is basically the language of the real analysis. On the other hand, the topology of the R will provide you the geometry and the point set approach towards a real analysis. The topic we will cover in this set theory, interval and the function is subset function, real analysis, bounded supremum and the infimum. On the other hand, whenever we are covering the topology of the R, we will discuss about the neighborhood, interior point, limit point, derived set, closed and the open sets. On the other hand, when we are talking about the sequences, we will define the infinite possessed behavior of the studies, and it will cover about the monotonic, bounded sequence, convergent, sandwich and many more topics. For more detail about the sequences, you can follow my lecture series real analysis, and you can see the sequences topic we have already covered in this complete lecture series playlist. Another topic we will cover about the limits of the function. We will define, and that's the limit of the function is learn about the fundamental of calculus, and that's a part of the limits, epsilon definition, sandwich theorem, etc. Similarly, we can define about the continuity and the differentiability. Continuity will explain you the behavior of the function fx, and we will cover about the continuous functions, discontinuities, interval values theorems, uniform continuity, ellipsis continuity, and so on. In the topics of the differentiability, we will cover about the differentiability at the point, higher order derivative, chain rule, non differentiable functions and many more. अगर आपको लगता है इसके बिना कुछ और टॉपिक्स भी होंगे, you can tell me in the comment box. I will upload that videos as well. And then I will explain you the topics such as the mean value theorems and the Riemann integrations. The topics we will cover in this lecture series are displayed in your screen. Followed by the sequence and the series, metric space, we will cover about the pointwise convergence, uniform convergence, and that topic I already explained you, which you can find at my playlist real analysis. आप देख सकते हो इसके अंदर आपके पास पॉइंट वाइज कन्वर्जेंस, example of the point wise convergence, Cauchy criteria, uniform convergence, all these lectures are available in this playlist. ये एक सिंगल प्लेलिस्ट है आपके पास रियल एनालिसिस की. You can follow it and learn each topic in a simple manner. And the last topic we will cover about the compactness and the connectedness. We will discuss the Borel theorem, properties of the compact set, connected sets, and many more topics in these examples. Remember, students, each topic we will learn through the various examples, illustrations, graphical implementations, important results, and the step-by-step approach. At the end of this course, you are able to understand, not only memorize the definitions and the formulas, but we are able to make a strong foundations in the mathematics, learn the clear and the rigorous mathematics proof, develop various logical and the mathematical thinking. All these lecture series will help you to clear the CSR NET, GATE, IIT JAMS, MSc Mathematics and higher order examinations. I will cover also all those previous year questions and the shortcut tricks in my each lecture series to cover the higher complex topics in a very simple manner. Always remember, students, whenever you are undergraduate students or the postgraduate students and you are learning the real analysis first time, then make sure the real analysis is not just a collection of the definitions and the theorem, but it is the way of the thinking. You have to think a different manner so that once you are understand the logic behind the each concept, then the mathematics becomes the more meaningful, easiness, and you are preparing for the CSR net and the higher study in a very simple, logical, and the enjoyable manner. So let's begin with this excited journey and discover the elegance of the real analysis in a very simple manner. If you have any doubt, you can tell me in the comment box. Let me know, are you really interested to watch the lecture series real analysis or not? We will cover all those topics such as the neighborhood, properties of the neighborhood, interior point. All these lecture you can find one by one in my lecture series real analysis. Let me know if you have any doubt. You can subscribe to my YouTube channels. Mark interested to watch in the comment box so that I can upload more videos very soon for all of you. Best of luck, students. Happy learning.